Welcome guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix connection problem with your Redmi Buds for Lite. Okay, so as you can see, when you have any connection problem with this device, I can recommend you to simply first turn off Bluetooth on your phone, on the iPhone or Android, no matter, just turn off the Bluetooth. Next, you have to input both earbuds to your case. As you can see, right here inside, we can find these indicators in this and in this place. And we have to close this cover. After a few moments, just open it. And right now, we have to click and hold these touch control panels until these indicators blinks together 3 times on white. It will happen after 5 seconds of holding them together. So let's try to make it right now. Click and hold them and just take a look on the indicators. If they are not blinking automatically, after 5 seconds, just release these buttons and just take a look on the indicators. As you can see, after release, they just blinks. So right now, try to turn on the Bluetooth on your phone and try to take them out of this case. So right now, they will move to the pairing mode. As you can see, right now, they are blinking. And right now, as you can see, they appears on the list. And we are able to connect them to our smartphone. And that's all for this video. If you find it helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.